LUS is committed to our customers, from providing and maintaining energy-efficient utility services to friendly, helpful customer service. LUS is there. It's our promise to provide dependable service to our customers every time, because we don't just work in Lawrence County, we live here too.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
We'll hold on to at least a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms for the overnight and the early morning, although a large part of it may quiet down for at least a few hours here after midnight through the early morning. But showers and thunderstorms become widespread again after daybreak here, if not just before that, and they continue off and on through our Tuesday with rain becoming likely. Here's the Futurecast breakdown. Showers and thunderstorms into the late evening. Can't rule them out during the overnight, and then they become more widespread again during the morning, starting our Tuesday in the upper 60s, lower 70s. Notice we are not waiting until the afternoon for the rain and thunder to develop across the area. It will get going during the morning, continue through the midday, off and on through the afternoon. Some of that rainfall locally heavy. I do think we're going to have temperatures into the lower half of the 80s for daytime highs. We're going to hold mid-80s just in case there's a little more sunshine in the afternoon that quickly warms us up because we have that June sun angle. But if the clouds don't really clear out too much behind the midday rain, when things become more scattered in the afternoon, we may stay only into the lower 80s, scattered showers and thunderstorms into the evening, and then they kind of settle down for the overnight Tuesday night. They'll be more scattered here and spotty for our Wednesday, but more widespread rain and thunderstorms again Thursday, and then much more spotty Friday, Saturday, and Sunday here, much more like what you would see on a typical summer afternoon with just spotty hit and miss thunder showers across the area. That's going to be because a big ridge of high pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere builds across the Ohio and Tennessee valleys late week as the jet stream shifts northward. This is the classic summertime pattern for warm weather around here, and daytime highs over the weekend will be climbing into the low to mid 90s. Heat index values Friday and the weekend getting closer to the lower triple digits. Nothing unheard of by any means, but that is getting warm enough where you have to consciously think about staying hydrated if you're going to be outside for any length of time. But again, nothing unheard of, not trying to make it into more than what it is by any means. Just bring your attention, warmer air on the way. Chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms beginning as early as 5 a.m. and then they start to become more widespread through the morning. Some of that rainfall locally heavy continues off and on through the day. Again, that 85 is possible, but it's an optimistic 85 with a little more sun in the afternoon. If that sun doesn't break out with scattered activity in the afternoon, it will be more like the lower 80s, upper 80s to near 90 on Wednesday as showers and thunderstorms, much more spotty. They're widespread again Thursday, and then spotty again Friday through the weekend and early next week as the daytime highs climb up into the 90s and heat index values get closer to the triple digits. There's your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rawson is in the Weather Center tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.